Guys, today I'm taking a look at these. These are the new open buds from Tozo. Now, I've reviewed a ton of these kinds of earbuds from different companies. So what makes these any different to the rest? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the open buds earbuds, true wireless earbuds from Tozo. Now, they're open backed, true wireless earbuds, so what is that all about? Well, open ear simply means that you can enjoy your music without blocking out the outside world. Now this is great if you're running or cycling or whatever and you're in a busy place and you want to keep your wits about you and be aware of what's going on around you, but enjoy your tunes at the same time. Now, before we get into it, Tozo sent me these open buds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, if you follow my channel, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. We've got a box containing a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then we have the charging case. Now on the front of this charging case, we've got a battery LED, and on the back we have the USB-C charge port, and that's pretty much about it. Open up the charging case and we've got the two earbuds. Now they're held in magnetically, and you know what, once removed they automatically go into pairing mode. There's also a pairing button on the charge case, and just in case this doesn't happen, if you push this button, you're going to put these earbuds into pairing mode. Taking the earbuds out, and you know what, they're pretty nice looking, they're pretty light, and they automatically go into pairing mode, and you get these little pairing LEDs to let you know that they're doing that. They also have these what Tozo call biaxial rotation fully adjustable ear hooks, so they kind of click, click, click. I'll put that to the microphone. They're the different adjustments, and they also turn around as well. So you know what, no matter what kind of ears you have, you are going to get a perfect fit no matter what. Now guys, pairing up is pretty straightforward, and once you do that, you're going to get an audio tone so you know you're all paired. You can also download the Tozo app, which is the same app for pretty much all of the Tozo buds. Just go to add a device, your open buds will be recognized, and boom, you're in the app. And from here you can see battery status, you can tweak the equalizer settings, or even choose from some pre-made templates like vocal, extra bass, extra treble, etc. Now guys, like a lot of these earbuds, you have touch controls for play, pause, backwards, forwards, etc., as well as call control for phone calls. The app also lets you program what actions you want from each of the clicks, taps, swipes, whatever, and that's a pretty nice touch, no pun intended. You also have the ability to firmware update, which for me, you know what, I've just done the firmware update, and you know, hopefully the latest firmware, everything's going to be working just fine. Now listening to these, I set the EQ preset to treble, and you know what, they sounded pretty good. Now there was still plenty of bass and mid-range, but you know what, the treble wasn't quite as crisp as I'd like. But you know what, listening to a range of different songs and everything was quite detailed. And the bonus, you still have awareness of what's going around you, and that is the killer benefit of these types of open earbuds. I also made a couple of test phone calls while walking around to test the Bluetooth range, and pretty much all was good for about 30 feet, and both my callers said they could hear me perfectly, so no complaints there. Oh, and by the way, walking around in the dark was filmed on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 just to test the low light capabilities that everyone is talking about. And you know what? it's meant to be pretty good, so let's see how that comes out. Now guys, for a few specs, these Tozo Open Buds have a Bluetooth 5.3, so good distance and connectivity already proven. They're also rocking multi-point connection tech, enabling you to pair two devices at the same time, which you know what is dead handy. They also stop playing content when you remove them from your ears, and they start again when you put them back in, so that's a nice touch. Battery life is a solid 12 hours from a single charge and a total of 42 hours from the charge case. They're also IP6 sweat and water resistance, and lastly guys, they have 14.2mm dynamic drivers, which should give you high quality sound, rich bass, which apart from leading a little more crispness, I can confirm they sound good. So guys, there you have it. These Open Buds from Tozo are light, comfortable, and you know what? They look pretty good. They have great battery life and will keep you in touch with your surroundings without spoiling your tunes. I mean, I have to say, I wore these for a couple of hours and actually forgot I was wearing them. Now, they normally cost around £70 in the UK, but at the time of this video, you can pick them up on Amazon for $55.99, so about a 20% saving there. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments and questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Tozo for sending me these pretty cool open back earbuds. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.